Get up, Patriots, it's all over. Today we're making George Washington's favorite snack, Hoecakes. Add 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal into a large bowl. Try to use the finest cornmeal you can find. Then mix half a teaspoon of yeast into the mixture. Add about a cup or a cup and a half of water to your bowl. And then let the mixture sit overnight in the fridge and make sure to cover. Fun fact, this recipe is named after your mom. After taking out of the fridge, make sure to add about a half cup to a cup of water into your batter. Stir in the salt and egg and blend thoroughly. Gradually add another cup of cornmeal into your mixture. Add additional lukewarm water if you need. Let this sit for another 15 or 20 minutes. Get a pan to about medium heat and then throw in some butter. After, take about a 1/4 cup scoops into your pan of your batter and cook on each side for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes is up, flip to cook to the other side. This hoe cake recipe is inspired from the youngest of Martha Washington's 3 granddaughters. Her name is Eleanor Parke Custis, or known as Nellie. George Washington was not biologically related to Nellie, but he still looked to her as her own. Just as he was a father to his multiple stepkids, he was a father to America. My favorite thing about Washington is he didn't take too many sides, kind of like your dad at the dinner table when your mom's trying to make a point. And that he hated the British. When all your hoe cakes are done, make sure to plate. We'll also be topping off with butter and drizzling with honey, just as George Washington likes. Now, should you make this recipe? As you can see, I'm struggling just to cut through it, and I think it's because I could only find a medium course of cornmeal. If you do, try to find the finest grain possible. I'd say if you like cornbread, this might be a meal for you. Otherwise, it might be best to just leave it in the past. Anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.